Yo, what's up my charge people? Welcome back to the channel. As you all remember from the last video, we actually got this rust bucket running. Jeez! But yeah, what you remember is it gushing out fuel. That weren't good. So now what we're going to do, we're going to jack it up, hopefully from somewhere, and assess the situation, see if we can get it to stop leaking fuel. Otherwise we may have to change the fuel filler neck. Let's get going, y'all. Stay charged, hit that subscribe button, let's do this. Cheers. Do I need to chop the front wheels?
Might need to do some shub on her.
Chopper! Chopper! It's fucking nasty down here. Oh oh my god, you lot see that? Maybe I shouldn't have done that, but too late. Right, let's turn the ignition on, see if we can see where the fuel is leaking. Right, so pretty much from just looking, well, trying to assess it, it looks like it's above all them pipes and everything. So where exactly is it leaking? Let's look at this fuel filler neck and see if we can kind of work it out. What? It's literally just two pipes. Right, so how does that sit? Does it sit like that? Or does it sit like that, mate? So then technically that should run down there. I might get this wheel off and see. Yeah, let's do that. Let's get the wheel off and see if we can see behind there or something. There we go. I think that's, can see a bit more better now. Sorry, Snell. Right, got the wheel off. There's the fuel filler neck, which goes down there, which goes around there. Ah, and is that to where? So yeah, kind of looks like it's leaking from around here.
Okay, so what you do is turn the ignition on and take a look. Yeah?
It's wet around here. Yeah, I swear it's one of the pipes over here. Fucking definitely wet. Been in the video before.
Yeah?
Look at my man, he wants to try taking recognition like, yeah, I'll fix that, yo.
I didn't fix shit.
Joking, but
Yeah.
we figured out the problem, you know.
Yeah. It's team effort. Yeah.
What is this?
Look at that.
Bruv! What is my man on?
That's what you call a cowboy job, right there.
Yeah, it's something you do, isn't it?
Never. Yeah.
But yeah, still, we don't need to take the fuel filling account. Jeez! I don't know how we're going to tighten it on there and get the ting on there, but...
That's easy.
What do you mean that's easy? Have
That's
you seen the little
easy.
space, bro?
Yeah.
Jeez! Boy, let's do this and...
I could give you a little hack, but you know.
What do you mean give... What, you want to make my life difficult? What? Older brothers, man.
It's easy.
Right.
Yeah, don't worry.
Let's do this. Have you got a Jubilee?
No.
Anything Jubilees?
Yeah.
Go buy one, there's Alphas down the
You
road.
need a new pipe. Yeah.
What new pipe?
That pipe is all crusty and.
What do you
flipping
mean? It's fine, as long as it does the job.
old. Yeah. So you get quarter drive ratchet. Yeah. Position it correctly, and then tighten it up.
Right, I need a Jubilee. Let's get a Jubilee. I actually managed to get Jubilee on, like, but I don't know how I'm gonna tighten it extra tight. Right, now we've got that pipe on properly, tightened it properly, managed to, found a Jubilee. Let's find out, see if it's leaking or not. Fingers crossed that it's not, and then we'll take it for a joyride, yo. Hey, presto! What?
No more needs.
Skirt, skirt. What the heck was that? Fuel leak, as you can see, it's not leaking no more, not misfiring anymore. Does it drive though? We will find out. Wheel on. Let's yeah, see if it drives.
Remember,
impact gun gone.
always hand tight first. These wheels may be up for sale. If anyone's interested, comment down below.
All this, let's take it for a little joyride.
There you go. Right, factory new that is.
Got no power steering. Right, so we all know it runs and everything, that's sorted. Does it actually move? Check this one though. Where is it? Electric folding mirrors. steering, no nothing. But it's driving. Oh yeah, it feels good to be able to drive it. I just heard a little dumplings.
Little choo choo.
Jeez. Great indication, mate. Moves a bit,
It's quite quick, isn't it?
isn't it? Well, it has been mapped and that. First time driving four-wheel drive. Jeez! The steering wheel feels all over the gaff. Fuck, mate. Joking. Did you do a flamage? Oh man, you're not cool, man. Get out. We're gonna sell you now. I'm joking, but yes! Woo! It runs, it drives, there's no fuel leaks. Happy days. Next episode, we're gonna give it a wash, make it look a bit tidy, and maybe make it look a bit more red again. So, other than that, hit that like button, comment, share, and subscribe, and stay charged, yo. Cheers!